What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue when the Cast to Device button is not showing up in Google Chrome. Having the Cast to Device feature readily available in Google Chrome is incredibly useful, especially if you frequently stream content from your browser to external devices like a Chromecast or other supported screens. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser on your PC. Once you have Chrome open, look at the upper right corner of the window and click on the three vertical dots. This is the menu button. From the drop-down menu that appears, navigate to Save and Share. Within the expanded menu, under Save and Share, you should see the Cast option. Select this to initiate the casting feature. After selecting Cast, you should notice the Cast icon appear in the toolbar at the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. If you want this icon to remain visible permanently, so you don't have to navigate through the menu each time you want to cast content, simply right-click on the Cast icon. A context menu will appear, and from there, you need to select Always Show Icon. This action ensures that the Cast icon stays on your Chrome toolbar, making it easily accessible for future use. This setup not only saves time, but also makes your Chrome browser more user-friendly, particularly if you are someone who casts content regularly. By enabling the Always Show Icon option, you can streamline your casting process, reducing the steps you need to take each time you want to enjoy your media on a bigger screen. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.